So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comma, right? And in today's video, we're going to learn about how to open AutoCAD files in a laptop. So first of all, you have to go to your app of AutoCAD, just double click on it. And this kind of window will show. It will take some few seconds to load. Just be patient and wait for a while. You want a background music. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so this is what your AutoCAD will open to. So if you have some recent files, like you can see some of them right over here, then you can just click on it and open it. If you don't see your file of your choices right here in this window, then you have to go to this option of open, and that will guide you to the file that you have last open. That's what you can see of that is of my channel card.com, right? And I will open that one. So this is the second method of doing it. The first method is that of choosing it from the frequently opened file. And let's say you don't want to open your old file and you want to open a new file, then you just have to click on this option of new, and a new file of AutoCAD will open. For now, I'll just open this my older AutoCAD file right over here by clicking it. And many times, if you have external references in your file, then this window will show. If you don't need anything, just press cross and you are good to go. And now you can do whatever you want with your AutoCAD file. You can work ahead. So that was it for the video. It was all about how to open AutoCAD file from your laptop and the ways to open the AutoCAD file. So thank you for watching. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it. Yeah, thank you.